You left my heart up when the rest of me is down.
Alec.
You enchant me.
There's nothing to be ashamed of, Alec.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. 'Cause now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. You got me shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto
Magnus.
you. I feel
So I've done everything that they've asked.
Maybe you should start living for yourself.
Got me wrapped up in your touch. I feel so enamored. Hold me tight within your clutch. How did you do it? You got me losing all my breath. How did you give me?
Goodbye, Alexander.
Have my heart beat out my chest. 'Cause now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. You got me shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you. 'Cause now
Someday, someone will come along who will tear down those walls you've built around your heart.
I won't
And when that love comes back to you, you must do everything in your power to fight for it.
Shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you.